Mama, mommy, mama. Say hello. Say hello now. Where's my head? My head is. Say hello. Where's your baby?
A baby?
Yeah, is with you. Is your baby sleeping? Let me see your baby. I want photo. Let me see your baby. Let me see. Let me see your baby. Is baby sleeping? Stop shaking, eh? See. Say hello, mama. Say hello. Mama. Mama don't want to talk to me. Let me see your baby sleeping. Shh, baby sleeping. See, let me see. What happened to your mouth? Awa? Awa? There's awa in your mouth? Hmm? Yeah? Baby girl? What is in your mouth? Let me see. I didn't say open it. I said, what is in your mouth? Okay. Let me see your baby. Oh, baby, baby. Let me see. Baby, how are you? Is baby sleeping? Is baby sleeping? No, don't pull her shirt. Leave it, don't pull it. Baby, baby. Oh yeah, close it, okay. Mama. I say hello. 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 She's not listening again. Oh my god. She's doing what she's doing. Hi, baby girl. So let's make voiceover. So in this part, the noise in ban off was too much. Oh, so we're about to snap this my beautiful baby, my princess. I want to snap her. She's posting for us. The pictures and they're very nice. I'm going to I'll post it after at the beginning. Yeah. I snapped some with her. But she was even patient to stand. See her? My princess. We're in the Banoff. We came down from the train. So we're waiting for the bus. We decided to snap my baby girl. So I was videoing her with my other phone. See what she was doing. She don't want to show her face. Everybody was shouting. If I remove the play the volume. Oh my god. So I don't know if I should leave the normal volume, but it's too loud. I know Banoff now. The the noise, the people that's walking, the announcement, everything, the information. Oh no. So it will be too noises. That's why I said, let me do voiceover. Look at the way she was using me to run. I was telling her to come, she was running up and down. She don't want to listen. No. So I hope you enjoy our video. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching us. We love you guys. Bye.